sea lions are not lazy animals. When they spend days out at sea hunting for food, they're well deserving of that rest.
Now we get asked.
He was caught chasing people down the beach. Yeah. He was trying to get after their picnic food, right? Yeah. As funny of a story as that is, it shows just how hard the time a lot of these animals have out there trying to survive on their own. Here at Georgia Aquarium, 60% of the sea lions that we house came to us as rescues. Now,
oh my God.
Like the rest of his rescued friends, they've been given a second chance and have found their forever home right here at Georgia Aquarium.